Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in the previous videos we are just going through the chapter number 2, that is playing with numbers. In that we have just reached to the divisibility test. Okay, so here divisibility test we will see again with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, not 7 की नहीं है divisibility test. So 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So here divisibility test. Divisibility test. Okay. So here first of all, as I have told you earlier, that for if a number is divisible by 2 or not, then how can we know that that number is divisible by 2? Then for 2 we can say that for 2 here at ones place, if the digit which is on the ones place is divisible by 2, then that number is divisible by 2. Okay, at ones place, the number is divisible, by 2, then that number is divisible by 2. Okay, so here taking the example which is directly over the exercise. So here you can see exercise 2e question number 1. Exercise 2e question number 1. In that you can see that there are numbers given and we have to find out that that number is divisible by 2 or not. So here in there are 8 numbers given. So from that I will just do any of the 4. So here the first one I will do, that is A. That number is 3, 6, 2. Then after C, so that number is 8, 9, 5. Then after E, that is 217. Then after G, that is not G, yes G, 6022. So let us solve this 4. So here we have to just check what ones place the number is divisible by 2 or not. Okay, so here first of all taking this number A, so here is 2. So you can say that the 2 is divisible by 2, that is 2 ones are 2. So here this number is divisible by 2. Okay, this number is divisible by 2. Why? Because here in the unit ones place the number is divisible by 2, so that number is divisible by 2. Moving towards next, here it is 5. So we can't divide 5 with 2. Why? Because 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So this number is not divisible by 2. This number is not divisible by 2. Okay, now next, that is 217. So 217, here the ones place, that is 7. So here you can see that 7 is divisible by 2 or not? No, 7 is not divisible by 2. So this number is not divisible by 2. Okay, this number is not divisible by 2. Then after the last one, that is here, you can see it is 2 again. So 2 is divisible by 2, that is 2 ones are 2. So this number is divisible by 2. Okay, this number is divisible by 2. If you want to write this, then you can write down, students. I am just giving you some time. Okay, students, have you written down? Moving towards next, that is divisibility test for 3. So, what is the divisibility test for 3? So here 3, that is, if the sum of digits is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Okay, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So let us see from the exercise question 2. So here from exercise question 2, I am just taking some of the examples, that is question number 2. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? So here taking A, that is 231, then after B, that is 343, then after C, that is 861, and then after D, it is 783. Okay, so let us check that these numbers are divisible by 3 or not. Okay, so here first of all, what we have to do, if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So here first of all we have to add the number, that is 2 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So here we can say that 6 is divisible by 3, that is 3 2s are 6. So for that we can say that this number is divisible by 3. Okay, this number is divisible by 3. Then after next, that is 3 4 3. So let us add first 3 plus 4 plus 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So here 10 is not divisible by 3. So here we can say that this number is not divisible by 3. Okay, this number is not divisible by 3. Now next, here see, you can see that it is 8 plus 6 plus 1. So here 8 plus 6, that is 14. 14 plus 1, that is 15. So here 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. Yes, 5 3s are 15 or 3 5s are 15. So this number is divisible by 3. Okay, this number is divisible by 3. Then after moving towards next, that is 7 plus 8 plus 3. So here 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So here 18. So 3 6 are 18. So this number is also divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Okay, so please write down this, students. I am just giving you some time. Okay, students, have you written down this? Now moving towards 4. So how we can know that the number is divisible by 4? So 4. So here, how can we know that the number is divisible by 4? So, in the given number, if last two digits are divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. Okay, students, so for the divisibility test of 4, in the given number, if last two digits are divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. Okay, students, move here, taking the example of question number 3. So here, question number 3. From exercise, here C, that is 382, then after D that is 1 2 3 6. E, that is 7 1 4 1, and then after F, that is 8 6 1 2. So let us check these numbers are divisible by 4 or not. So here they have said that in the given number, if last two digits are divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. So let us check. So here first of all the last two digits, that is here the last two digit in the first number, that is here 82. Okay, that is 82. So let us check that 82 is divisible by 4 or not. Okay, so 4 2s are 8. Here coming 0, this 2 comes down. Okay, but here you can see that this is not divisible by 4. Okay, this is not divisible by 4. But yes, we can say here that putting a 0, but we should put a point over here, but this cannot be divisible by 4. Okay, why? Because the last two digit is not divisible by 4. Okay. So here 82 is not divisible by 4, then this number is not divisible by 4. Okay, then after here coming towards the next, that is 36. Okay, so let us check 36 is divisible by 4 or not. Here 4 9s are 36, 0 0. Okay, so you can see here this 36 is divisible by 4, then here we can say that this number is divisible by 4. Okay, this number is divisible by 4. Then after moving towards next, so we are coming towards the 41. So let us check that 41 is divisible by 4 or not. So 41, so 4 1s are 4, 0. Putting here coming 1 and here 0 point. 4 2s are 8. 2. Again here you can see after the point is coming, so this is not divisible by 4. So this number is not divisible by 4. Okay, moving towards next, and here you can see it is 12, the last two digit, that is 12. So here we know that 4 3s are 12, that we know that this number is divisible by 4. Okay, so this number divisible by 4. Okay students, please write down this. Okay students, have you written down this? Moving towards next. That is divisibility test for 5. So we already know that the number is divisible by 5 or not. We can easily know that. You also know that. But here they have written, so if at ones place there is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Okay, if in the ones place there is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Okay students, so let us see the examples. That is question number 4. Question number 4. That is D 70,004. Then after E, that is 6,105. Then after F, that is 2100 or 2100, or G, that is 8,325. Okay, and H, that is 5,005, and I, that is 5,551. So let us check the divisibility test for the 5. Okay, so here what we have to see, that is, if at ones place there is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. So here you can see, here it is 4, here it is not 0 or 5. So this number is not divisible by 5. Okay, then after another one, it is over here. You can say here it is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Okay, then after next, here it is 0. Yes, 0 is also included. So this number divisible by 5. Okay, and here also in the G you can see it is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Okay, then after H, over here you can see, here it is at ones place it is 5. So this number okay, then after here it is 1. So 1 is not included. So this number is not divisible. This number is not divisible by 5. Okay, so please write down this, students. Okay, students, have you written down this? Moving towards next. Okay, so here 6. Divisibility test for 6. So what is that? So if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6. Means for the divisibility test of 6, we have to verify the two divisibility tests, that is of 2 and 3. So 2, we know that is ones place the number is divisible by 2, or at ones place there should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, then that number is divisible by 2. And here for 3, we know that if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Okay, students. So for 6, let us see some of the examples. So here in the exercise 2F, question number 1. Exercise 2F, question number 1. In that, it is given, that is first of all A 672, then after B, that is not B, we will take C, that is 7312, then after E, that is 4304, over here G, that is 263, then after I, that is 8135. Okay, so let us do first of all here for 6, what we have to do, we have to check that number is divisible by 2. Okay, so here you can see this number is divisible by 2. Yes, this number 672 is divisible by 2. Why? Because at ones place there is what, 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. So this number is divisible by 2. Now checking for 3. So 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 2, that is 15. So this number is divisible by 2 and this number is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 6. Okay, students. Then after moving towards next, so here you can see it is 7312. So first of all we have to check that this number is divisible by 2 or not. Here it is 2, so we can say that this number is divisible by 2. Now checking for 3. So 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 12, 13. So 13 is not divisible by 3. But here they have given a condition in 6, that is if that number is divisible by both, that is 2 and 3, then only this number is divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 6. Why? Because it is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 6. Okay, moving towards next. Here also you can see, first of all, satisfying the divisibility test of 2. Here it is 4. Yes, this number is divisible by 4. Why? Because for 2 at one's place there should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, now checking for 3. So here 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Yes, 12 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Okay, so here this number is divisible by 6. Okay, now moving towards next for G, that is here 3, that is not divisible by 2. Okay, so here first only the condition is not satisfied, that is it is not divisible by 2, then this number is not divisible by 6. Okay, this number is not divisible by 6. Over here also you can see that here it is 5, that is not divisible by 2. Okay, why? Because there is not 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at one's place. So this number divisible by 6. Okay, this number is not divisible by 6. So please write down this, students. Okay, students, have you written down this? Now please write down your homework. Your homework, that is, in your homework, you have to write down, first of all, remaining sums of exercise 2E, I think, yes, 2E, and remaining sums exercise 2F question number 1. Okay, that is your homework. And also you have to write down these statements which are over here in your homework. Okay, students. So we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye students.